There is a large amount of popular mythological creatures that exist in various pieces of fiction. They were created in stories based all over the world, and today they can be found in books, TV shows, and movies. But some people are under the belief that these creatures and the unique image they have couldn't have just spawned out of thin air. They believe these creatures actually existed or still exist in some way, shape, or form. There is quite a bit of video and photo evidence that may suggest these mythical beasts exist outside of the stories we know them from. So that's what we're going to be having a look at today. So here are 10 mythical creatures that were caught on tape. Number 1 is the ghoul. A ghoul is a monster that existed in Arabian mythology. They were first introduced in English literature in 1786, and today they can be found throughout popular culture and media such as the Japanese manga Tokyo Ghoul and the popular game series Fallout. Their image has of course changed over time, but for the most part these monsters resemble humans and even more so zombies. While they are very prevalent in pieces of fiction, there have been a few people who claim these creatures actually exist, and there's a few video clips that may suggest this is true. One clip shows a ghoul-like creature emerging from a cave who appears to be on the brink of death. There is also this clip which shows us a creature that was discovered in a tunnel that has bright eyes and a very strange posture. The second the camera begins to move towards it, it quickly exits the scene. Now these clips haven't been confirmed, but while the definition of a ghoul given to us by Arabian mythology might not exist, in the game Fallout, ghouls are essentially described as people who just about survived nuclear attacks, and seeing as there has been nuclear-based experiments done on people, it wouldn't be that surprising if at one time a ghoul was actually living on this planet. We just wouldn't have any knowledge of it. Number 2 is a giant. Giants are one of the most well-known mythical creatures in history. They appear in countless mythologies and thousands of stories. Now, the tallest man in medical history is Robert Wadlow, who is just under 9 feet in size. However, general mythology tends to describe a giant as a person who is at least 10 feet in size. Now, the average size of people is actually growing quite a bit due to advanced diets and developed medical practices. So somebody being 10 feet